want to thank everybody for coming out. We're about to go to Baltimore, Maryland, about to raise it up over there. Then after that, Atlanta. And then we're going to end it off in Orlando. And so wish them luck. Good luck!
Show some love, give it up for Smoking Aces.
Smoking Aces, give it up, y'all.
Baby, check my symphony, blue and white Tiffany, flow give you epiphany, teeter on eventually. All I do is elevate, strategize and execute, mandatory money missions daily. Track record nigga, evaluated, 2 shots of crime, queen of the night, steam on my brow, stalking out the crowd. Soon I will feast, stressing for the weekend. If you not fucking with Smoking Aces, you can kiss my ass. You can send that to me on the email, and I'll put it in. Hey, put it back, and I'm co-signing. Put that stamp on it. Birmingham, baby, check me about it if I'm wrong. They don't really know you till you bust them on they tongue. I don't really owe you till you special need niggas. I'ma keep giving the world the best of me, nigga. Wanna see my downfall smiling in my face? I know you do. This one for them backstabbing hoes who can't replace me. Oh, what you got, young nigga? I'm in the zone. En route to my destiny on the fucking throne. Over time, maybe you will get to really see that the real MOB nigga is BG and Miller. Smoking Ace. I'm a front runner, bitch, talking front runner shit. I pose my lane and I gun it on you quick.
What's up with it, y'all? Styleology 101, and we are back again with another video for y'all.
Yes, indeed. Today we have Smoking Aces.
Smoking Aces in the building.
Yeah. So where y'all from?
Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama. Roll Tide.
Alright. So when did y'all start rapping?
5 years ago.
Yeah.
This is 2011. About 2005.
But really, you know what I'm saying, got down there to taking it serious the past year. You know what I'm saying? You know, really investing in ourselves. Really taking it serious. You know what I'm saying? So, more than rhyming.
Right. Yeah. Alright. Well, where can they check out your music?
SMOKINACEZ205. That's on YouTube. Smoking Aces. Smoking 205 Aces on Twitter. Just put it in the Google. Everything will pop up. We all laid out for you, baby. Smoking Aces.
Tumblr, deadpip.com, prelims. Download that Catfish and Kanye, the album. We coming out there probably winter. But the prelims reloaded September.
Y'all got any shout outs for anybody?
Shout out Alabama.
Birmingham, Alabama, you know what I'm saying? The whole South. Shout out to everybody.
Shout out to
Yes.
Devin. Shout out to Jay Dope. Shot City Key. It goes on and on. Bree.
Everybody.
Shout out to the cameraman. Shout out to you, because y'all beautiful too, baby. Without y'all, would be no us.
Yes.
That's dope. So Smoking Aces, y'all check them out. We all we got. We all we got. Right.
You know.
Young Kai, y'all show us some love.
Young Kai.
All the way to Rhode Island.
Yo, and the ladies love her.
Baby, when you say my name, when you tell me that you love me, and that's never gonna change. But I don't know what to say. Wanna tell you that I love you too, and I'm here to stay. But the effect you got on me's got me tripping, got me slipping, got me weak at my knees. I don't know what to say.
Young
You got me feeling that way.
And every time you say my name, drives me why I go insane. When you tell me that you love me and it's never gonna change, I wanna tell you the same. But your beauty got me dazed, got me tripping, got me slipping, got me so amazed. It's what you do to me, baby, that makes my mind go blank. Just wanna make you my lady. Go ahead, girl, do your thing. You might just get that diamond diamond ring. Introduced to finer things. Wanna tell you that I love you, but
I get lost for words, baby, when you say my name, when you tell me that you love me, and that's never gonna change. But
just don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say. Wanna tell you that I love you too, and I'm here to stay. The effect you got on me's got me tripping, got me slipping, got me weak. I'm a
What's up with it, y'all? Studology 101, and we are back again with another video for y'all.
And we have another artist straight out of Rhode Island. Her name is Young Kai.
Young Kai, baby. Straight out of Rhode Island.
What sets you apart from other artists? Not particularly LGBT artists, just any artist and different. How does your music set you apart?
I like to do kind of like mainstream music type, you know. I don't just think about myself when I'm writing.
Right.
I don't really consider myself as a rapper, more like an entertainer. Right. So when I do write, I try to think about, you know, what people want to hear, you know, because I like to entertain. So I think that's what I think kind of sets it apart. I enjoy music, it's my passion. So if I could, you know, do stuff that other people can enjoy as well, then that's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, make it universal for everybody to listen to.
So I just want to know, what was your best spot that you performed at? Was it New York? Was it Rhode Island? I mean, I know you've been traveling, so. I love ATL. So when we were on the tour, I have to say I had fun at ATL. But it was my first time performing for actual Pride. And Boston Pride I had a great time there. I loved the feedback from the audience. It was live, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was able to, you know, sign autographs with people, take pictures. Like, it was, you know, it was real cool. Like, and it wasn't just like showing love, it was also studs. That's something that you don't see a lot, you know, studs, you know, putting down together, showing support. So I really appreciated that. Out of everything. Alright, well, where can they find you at? My official website is iamyoungkai.com, and you can catch all my websites there, like YouTube, Twitter, all that stuff is gonna be there. So yeah, iamyoungkai.com.
Definitely, y'all check her out. Your Twitter account, let them know where they can follow you.
Yeah, y'all can follow my every move. You know what I'm saying, at ITZKstar. So that's twitter.com/ITZKstar.
Yeah, y'all check her out.
Sounds of Pride, Studology 101. We already know. We all we got. Yeah.
Girl, help me understand, 'cause it's a whole list of girls that would love to be in your
What's up with it, y'all? Studyology 101. And today we have we got representative Jane Doe coming straight from Los Angeles, California. She's definitely holding it down, representing the movement, and we appreciate her. What up? So, let me ask you this. What made you want to become a We Got representative?
You know, I just kind of ran into it. I feel like I attracted being able to be a representative, but we already got into the simple fact that, you know, I was being hospitalized and my mentor actually helped me work on myself enough to be able to be well enough to get out of it. And right after I did that, I shot my first music video, which is to my single, A Young Day. And she actually came to the video and was in it and wore the t-shirt. And so, you know, I didn't know anything about it up until then. And then, you know, as I was going through my breakthrough, all of these doors just started opening. I guess all the right people that I needed to work with in the business just started coming. And that's pretty much how it happened. You know, shout out to I'mGettingOutWhat.com. You know, I'm a mentor on there, and the founder is actually my mentor and they're your mentor. Shout out to Self-Esteem Queen.
Cool. Yeah, shout out to NCQ, our mentor. We love you. Well, I would like to know, what do you see the We Always Got movement going with you? Like, what do you expect out of our movement?
I expect everybody that knows about it and that comes across it to know that it is a very positive movement. You know, we don't tolerate too much negativity and too much craziness, because there's already a lot of that out there. And I want to make sure that coming from my vessel, and especially anybody that's involved with it, understands that we are just very positive people that are about enjoying life and just taking it easy and stress-free, you know, to kind of combat the things that are going on that are hurting Mother Earth and as well as us, since we're all connected as one.
So let's talk about a little about your music. When did you get started rapping and where?
Well, I always started off as a writer. Like when I was younger, about 8 years old, I started journal writing. And then as I went through my evolution on my journey, I started rapping when I was about 14. That was like junior high era for me. And then it evolved to me taking it seriously when I was 19. I'm 25 now, so baby steps, all up the same, you know, holding that same vision and just taking baby steps, keeping that passion, understanding what my passion is and everything.
There's a lot of young people out there that look up to you, that support you and support us, and they would like to be artists and rappers themselves. What would you like to say to the youth out there that just struggling being a stud, you know, on stage, entertaining? What kind of confidence or words of wisdom can you give the studs out there, or even the families who want to do their thing but they're dead, you know?
Right. I definitely think that one of the big main issues that the young people need to grab a hold of is you need to find your passion first. You know, just because you see us having a good time partying and you know, that's really not what the game is about. You know, this is like one of the hardest working jobs out there, and I don't want you to get confused with the flash and the facade of it all. Just because you want to live that life, you can gain a successful life through other avenues, but the most important thing is you have to find your passion. Not everybody's going to born to have a passion to do this, therefore you're going to not enjoy it and you're not going to be happy. So don't just fall into the trap of, oh, I want to have nice cars and nice clothes and I want to be able to live this lifestyle, girls all around. No, this is a business, and you know, we are here to work, and you need to make sure you differentiate the two. Don't get caught up.
Yep. The key to success is happiness, so you have to be happy.
Yep, and what you do.
Yep. So yeah, Jane Doe, let them know where they can find you. Everybody on our channel.
Well, I got my first album, my debut album on iTunes. You can definitely find me on Google and YouTube. Type in JAYNEDOOE. That's how you spell Jane Doe. Pretty much that's it. You know, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, all the social networks. Just Google me, everything comes up on Google.
Cool. And anybody you want to shout out to back at home, or anybody who's been supporting you?
Shout out definitely to y'all, you know. We got representative proud. Gonna be going hard. Shout out to Studyology 101. I'mGettingOutWhat.com, SEQ. Shout out to all my family friends. Shout out to my comrades that we all held it down together this weekend. Smoking Aces, Devin, Young Kai. Shout out to the oldest, Deep, Bree, and the cameraman. Everybody, this was all a team effort, and I had a blast. So I want to thank y'all for being reflections of my gift, and we're gonna keep it pushing.
Most definitely already.
Jane Doe. Baltimore, make some noise. I made it. I'm gonna do the little intro real quick. Know what I'm saying? I want to shout out to D. Shout out to Sounds and Pride, everybody that performed alongside me tonight. Shout out to Stellage 101. We All Be Got Movement. I am an official representative for the We All Be Got movement. Find out about it on GayNotWhat.com. Find out about it. So the first song I'm gonna do is dedicated to the ladies, you know what I'm saying? All the beautiful, sexy ladies, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can give life and shit. Y'all create life and shit. Y'all fucking beautiful. So the first song I'm gonna do is dedicated to y'all. Smooth little melodic joint. And then we're gonna get into the circle, you dig? So I'm gonna get my ass up. We're gonna get into it. Multiple makes a noise. Yo, bro, I can't go to
Usually I'm not. But well, damn, y'all just so sexy and beautiful. All y'all women, creators of life, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate yourself. Got to do it. Y'all know y'all got me on, boy. So lift me up. Yeah, check it. It's metaphysical the way that she love me down. I wake up and pray, thank God a chance to run the town. Hop in the shower, bless my body, best time to unwind. I got a lot to do, but first I need some quiet time. I stretch her out and close my eyes and focus on the shine. That ball of heat that's radiating right between my eyes. That third one, that's the truth and simply divine. I spoke with God, now I'm all in all natural high. Now don't be shy, cause I'm just getting started now. You always sad on your status, too pretty to frown. Don't hurt yourself, don't let them hounds just throw you around. You're sensitive, emotions made for higher ground. So what you say, look within and I'll guide you along. Introduce you to yourself and I won't be gone for too long. And when we meet again, tell me what you learned some. And I'll stop when I'm done, so then, yeah, I'm on one.
Usually I'm not like this.
Usually I'm not. But damn. Y'all be looking so sexy, especially in the summertime. I don't be knowing what to do with myself. Cause y'all know y'all got me. Y'all know y'all got me. On one. All day, every day. Cause I told ya I'd be back before you know it. Jane Doe, the natural flow. You can tell how my body glows. I take care, work hard, the success you show. But I wanna give it in a way that you can understand. So let me know if I go too fast, I can slow it down. My pace is more like the speeds of the clouds though. I'm in the middle, peace filled, gold place and road. I'm right at home, pray, feel steady in my zone. Cause when I'm blue, I just think about my past days. Motivates me, lifts me up, gets me right past the day. Cause if I did it then, surely I can do it now. It just depends on how you sing these original sounds. Just be yourself, don't be afraid to let others see the semantics, the meanings. Just keep it true and keep it G. And that will be the day when you feel it truly see. And most important, you gon' remember me.
Usually I'm not like this.
Usually I'm not. But well damn.
So amazing.
You, y'all so beautiful. I hope you know it. I don't think you really know it though. Do you know it though? Then come and roll with Jane Doe though. When I need her, she come through on the spot, no questions, I'ma beat her. Cause I need a jumper, she my jumper. I need a jumper, she my jumper. She a freak like the strap real deep. She down for whatever lick, click and suck feet. Cause I need a jumper, she my jumper. I need a jumper, she my jumper. Rockstar lifestyle, might don't make it. 12 years don't strap on, she gon' take it. She bought 4 friends cause my whole squad wasted. E-Man came through, we taking L's to our face. Nigga, be original. Niggas try and fight, they wanna be just like me. Try and copy my style and lay it on the beat. It's not likely, no, it's not likely. It's not likely, no, it's not likely. The West on the crowd when they say they got heat. Stop talking, show proof to spark me. It's not likely, no, it's not likely. It's not likely, niggas.
What's up with it, y'all? Studology 101. Yes, and today we present you with Devin Christie, straight out of New York. New York is in the building, y'all. What was your best experience here at Sounds of Pride? You know, we were here. I mean, what city did you like? What did you like about it? How was the crowd to you?
Well, the crowds were pretty supportive in most of the cities that we went to. But I think what I like most is the people that I've met who were also on the tour, the artists, the networking, the friendship, and the connections that I'm sure are going to last for a long time.
Definitely,
so,
man.
That was one of the best things about this tour.
Cool. So when did you start singing? Did you take vocal lessons or anything like that?
I never took vocal lessons, and I never really thought I could sing. I'm really a producer, a songwriter, and I was working on a project with a lyricist. And so in order to show the vocalist supposedly the song how to sing it, I had to do a reference to it.
Okay.
The person I was writing with was like, dang, man, you got a nice voice or whatever. I was like, oh man, you know. But he encouraged me to go ahead and try, so then I started doing it, and then I started getting some attention, so, you know, that's how it all kicked off.
Okay.
Really, I was a songwriter, producer, musician.
Cool.
That decided to sing.
Cool. Okay. Well, I was wondering if we could get like a sample for you gotta sing to the ladies out there now, you know.
Ladies, I don't even know what I would sing.
They wanna sing something. You gotta serenade.
Through here.
You need a soul cry. Whatever's best.
A soul cry. Temptation has me in a grip and I can't break free. 'Cause I wanna touch what don't belong to me.
Okay, alright. You don't wanna touch what you don't belong to you. Because karma is
talking about looking at
you
something,
already know.
no business looking at.
Yeah, so that's what's up. Vocals on point. Wish I could do it. You know, wish I could. Yeah. So where can they check your music out?
I have a song featuring an up-and-coming rapper called Just Right on iTunes. It's called Sunday Morning, and I also perform that in most of the cities on the tour. So Devin Christie at iTunes. The song is called Sunday Morning. You hit me up on Facebook as well.
All right. Nice. Well, this is Devin Christie. Y'all check her out. Hit her up on Facebook, not Twitter. Yep, you already know. She's from New York, so she represents really well. Yes, she is.
All right, Studology.
All right.
2011.
Yep, Sounds of Pride.
Sounds of Pride.
Ooh, yeah. Turn it up.
I cannot believe I'm saying to myself, there's no one for me, there is nobody else. 'Cause I've never felt this way ever in my life. 'Cause you are my everything. I'm so glad you're mine. Oh, Sunday morning, every morning's like Sunday morning when I'm next to you. Sunday morning makes me wanna just thank somebody for sending you. Who sent you to me? Who sent you to me? Temptation has me in a grip and I can't break free. 'Cause I wanna touch what don't belong to me, baby. See, I'm in need of you right here beside me. Won't you take my hand and gently guide me to the place where you need me to be, yeah. And I'll be right there for you. Whoa. Till the sun comes, I wanna love you. I wanna touch you till you've had enough. Just let me touch you till you've had enough. Oh, baby, I wanna show you what you've been missing.
Oh, wow. All right, we're gonna go ahead and slide through. This song is called I'm Sorry. If you ever get in trouble with your girl, this is the one to put on. It's called I'm Sorry.
There is something that I wanna say, it just can't, baby. I've been thinking about you all the time, night and day. Don't you know I never meant to hurt your feelings that way, babe. And I really need to put my pride aside and say, I'm sorry, baby. I never meant to make you cry. I'm sorry, baby. I just wanna hold you tight. There's so much love between us, I just can't take it, babe. No matter what we go through, ain't nothing gonna change it. It's been 10 months, 2 weeks, and a day since we've been apart, babe. And anybody who knows me can tell you that you still have my heart. That's why I'm sorry, baby. Never meant to make you cry. Never meant to make you cry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. I just wanna hold you tight. See, you bring out the worst in me, baby. All the lust, you bring out all the jealousy, baby. You make me lose my mind. You're so wicked, baby. But I love you, baby. Got me going crazy about you, baby. You see, I love you. That's right, yeah. I love nobody else. I'm out of control, baby. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind, baby. 'Cause I want you, baby. Yeah, I want you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Ooh, yeah. Can I talk to you, babe? Thank you.
Oh yeah, Devin Christie in the building.
Thank you very much.
Show us some love, y'all. Show us some love. She did it.
Everybody's got a prize. Everybody sleep at night. The tale comes first and the truth comes second. Stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so dang mysterious. Got the shades on their eyes and they feel so high that they can't even have a good time. Everybody look best believe you'll be feeling alright. Everybody look to your left. Everybody look to your right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. You don't need your money, money. Trying to make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It ain't about the, yeah, cha-ching, cha-ching. It ain't about the, what? The bang, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Thank you guys for being here tonight. Thank you. Sometimes I don't feel so right. You come crashing through my mind. When we're together, everything feels fine, so fine. When I least expect it, you brighten my day. I don't feel so neglected until you've gone away. Let me tell ya, those times I know you just don't care. But this reflection that I'm reflecting is a love so rare. I don't even need to be up here. My bruise and my break 'em, you shake 'em, we build it back, and then I crack 'em, my bruise, I fake 'em, you break 'em, we build it back. Then I'm closing my eyes, I can sense your surprise. Just put my eyes, I grin all the time, struggling to win, and it's simply realize. Don't daddy. She said she went. Now that you see me, you have to believe it. I'll grab your hand, pull you up to my lane. Don't try to give up, I'm calling your name, 'cause I know you secret. I've got you right. Cerrando los ojos ahí peleando llegué, pero ahora ya sé.
Sounds of Pride. I just want to let y'all know that they did a great job. Amazing. We're at the Sounds of Pride Lesbian Music Tour in Boston.
You know, it's all about the song, and I think that when you that's the cool thing about like the LGBT community is they get it. They get it. When you're playing a song, it's like it's about the song. We were just talking about this. It's about
it's about telling the story.
It's about telling the story. Yeah. It's the real music. It's the and if your voice is it's there. And people are getting it.
It doesn't matter what kind of riffs you can do or all that, but if you're telling the story and people are inspired by it, that's what matters.
We write about real life, and I think that's what it's all about. Is like you have to be real, and if you're real, people get that and they respond, and it's great.
Yep. And what really sets them apart is they do their own music. It's not like beats and stuff. She sung a cappella.
hey, I love beats too.
Yeah, they can do it all because they're talented. And the interaction with the crowd, man, y'all both did a great job.
Thank you.
That's something.
And
they're both hot, so all the men watching, are you single?
I'm not. But you had to, you know.
Are you single? Oh, guys, I'm sorry.
I told you we were married. We told you we're married. I mean, that was our disclaimer.
Well, they're still great. They're still great artists, LGBT artists representing well. You should support. And let them know where they can find you.
Yeah, it's www.mercedes.com. It's Mercedes with the 3.
I gotta do this part, okay? www.johnbrandoli.com. It's all on there. I got some free music you can listen to.
Yeah, same here. Free music.
If you decide to buy it, that's even better. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So show them some love.
My guitarist, she's too shy to come over here right now, but she was amazing. She shut it down.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, she's ridiculous. Yeah, and usually I play live with my drummer, and you know, I think you do that too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got a band.
So anyway, so check us out.
Representing well for our LGBT community. Check them out. Hit up their site. Show them love. We all we got. We all we got. Sounds of Pride 2011.